Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Wix for digital guides and ebooks business easy and quick. So as we know, Wix is a type of websites that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know how to code. It offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site. So first of all, let's start from here. Build with Wix editor. Okay, now as you see, you can start with AI, so it's gonna help you to build and customize your site. And also you can go to basic setup, so you can set up without AI. So for me, I'm gonna choose this way to set up my website. So let's get started. Okay, now you can enter your website type or your business type. Okay, as you see now, you can select your business type. um, I'm gonna choose this one, ebook store. Okay, now you can design the site. So how would you like to design a website? If you want to let Wix create a site for you or customize the design template. So for me, I'm gonna start from here. Now as you see, you can add your business name, and you can add your email and your address and your phone, and also you can add the social link. So let's continue. Now as you see, you can pick a theme you like, pick your favorite theme. You can try your best to make your site look attractive. You can pick a theme match your business, so don't forget the simple details like the themes and like the colors. uh, the simple details, it's more important. It's make your site looks attractive to pull more customers to your website. Now as you see, you can pick your favorite homepage design. I'm gonna choose this one. Now you can add page to your site. You can skip all this and customize them later if you want. So now wait a few seconds for preparing your homepage design. Now your site is up and running, so you can go to editor to complete design. So as you see here, this is the editor page. You can add elements, you can add sections, you can add pages and menus. You can design the site. Also you can add apps, manage your business. So for example, if you want to add elements, you can start from here. You can start from the text, customize the theme text, the titles, the paragraphs, the text mask, and also you can customize the image. You can upload images, import images, and also you can explore images free from Wix or free Wix illustrations. Here you can customize the theme buttons, the text and icon buttons, the image buttons. So that's it. Now let's move on to the decorative. Also you can customize the theme lines, the basic shapes, arrows, horizontal lines and vertical lines. So that's it. And if you want to add something new, you can just click here add section, and you can select what kind of sections you want to add on your home page. You can just select the style and the type, whatever you like. Now let's move on. If you wanna design your site, you can customize the site design, the color theme, the text theme, the page background, and the page transitions. Okay, now as you see here, this is the editor page. You can do a quick edit. For example, this is the first section, the header section. You can, for example, if you want to edit your site name, you can change the strip background. You can manage the horizontal menu. Now let's move on to the next section. As you see here, this is the welcome section. You can change the section background, the strip background. Also, you can change the image. You can change the title and the paragraph. If you want to change, for example, this paragraph, just click on it and create a text. Now all you have to do is describe what you want in your text, or if you wanna just select the type of the section, and you have to insert information to include here, and it's gonna create it for you. You can make it shorter, you can generate another one. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. So this is the product section. So here you have to create your product. So first you have to manage your product. Okay, you have to add new product. And now you have to add the title of your product. You can add images and videos. You can add the product information, the name and the description. You can customize the price and options. You can turn this on and customize the discount and the sale price. Also you can customize the inventory and the shipping. You can turn this on, the track inventory, and change this. So that's it. After this you can save this place here and go back to complete design. Okay, so that's it. Let's move on now to the next section. This is the service section. So as you see, you can change whatever you like here. The same thing as normal. You can change the text right here. You can edit the text. For example, if you want to edit the text right here, just click edit text and change the style, any style you like. And you can change also the fonts. For example, I'm going to choose this one. So that's it. This is the features section, the same thing as normal. If you want to change this image right here, just click on it and you can search whatever you like on the search. Okay, so as you see, you can select your favorite one from here. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. So that's it. This is the last section here, the footer section. So you can just customize and edit the email and the company name for the copyright. So before you publish your website, you can go to the preview and see what your site looks like on desktop and mobile before you go live. Also, you can save this editor page from here. And after this, if you wanna publish your website, you can just click here. It's gonna publish it. Now as you see, you can start selling, you can start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.